Hi, welcome to UKX system. We are from CS1104E and my name is Akidi. We make a system for students' healthcare in a college, and this system is used by the college healthcare unit or department. We'll show how it works in the next slide. This is the main menu. It is divided into two parts, staff and student. The staff is where the staff login happened, and whereas the student is where staff search the student's medical history or register new student into the database. This is the staff login page. The staff need to key in their ID and password to use and to log into the system. The password is also case sensitive, so they will need to key in it correctly, because if one of the password or their ID is wrong, there's a display which will show that wrong password or email, so they need to key in it again or else they can't log into the system. This is the students section or page, whereas the staff in charge will key in the student's ID to show the student's medical history, receipt, and payment method. Staff in charge can also register new students' detail into the database.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Faiz Farhan. So this is after the student ID cannot be reached. It will appear, sorry, the ID that you search is not in the system. So you have to click the return button. After you click the return button, the screen will appear, student registration. You need to fill all the needs and submit. Okay, next, after the submission, the screen will appear three types, which is medical history, payment, and medical receipt. Medical history show history, payment you can choose which type of payment you want to use, and medical receipt will show receipt or bills. Okay, as you can see, this is if you click the medical history, so it will appear student medical history and you can edit and save it. Okay, after you finish student medical history, the screen will appear medicine usage report. It will list all the medicine that have been taken by the student.
Now, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Shahiran bin Azizan. Now I will present the next part, which is student bills. The staff need to fill the form at the student bills for the student, such as name, student ID, type of disease, and many more. For the payment, student can click the blue text or hyperlink and they will go to the next section, which is payment method. So this is the payment section after we click the hyperlink at the previous page. From this view, we can see lots of payment method we can use, such as online banking, e-wallet, and also credit card. The student can choose one of that payment method to settle the payment. After the student have choose the payment method, they need to log in their bank account to make a full transaction for the medical payment. After the transaction is success, the screen will go to the medical receipt page. When the screen go to the medical receipt, after the student make a payment, the screen will show to us the receipt that the student will receive. This receipt also we can print it for many purposes, such as medical certificate and also as a proof. We just need to click the print button to print that receipt. Okay, this is our last page for our system, which is UKX system. We also provide a rate section at the bottom screen for this page for the student to rate our system. They can rate it just using a star. That's all from my team. Thank you for your attention. Thank you, madam.